This two-part series on the NASA Canard Control Missile is one of the most comprehensive supersonic external flow (CFD) projects available online. In Part 1, you learn how to build a production-grade mesh using custom console commands, achieve orthogonal quality scores of 0.9 over 1 and above, and apply inflation layers where the physics truly demand it. In Part 2, you set up the complete solver, derive boundary conditions from isentropic flow relations, convert force outputs into aerodynamic coefficients, and validate your results directly against NASA wind tunnel experimental data. Every step is explained with the engineering reasoning behind it, so you're not just following along, you are actually understanding what you are doing and why. Whether you are a master's student working on your thesis, a professional in the aerospace industry, or someone looking to land their first CFD role, this project gives you a fully validated supersonic simulation that you can confidently add to your portfolio and talk about in any interview. This project will not just teach you how to simulate a missile, it will teach you how to think like a CFD engineer. Links to both parts are in the description. See you there, in the project where you will witness the true power of computational fluid dynamics.